Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a fascinating idea: ancient aliens and the ancient astronaut theory. Could aliens have visited our ancestors? Let's break it down. So, what's the scoop with the ancient astronaut theory? Well, it suggests that a long time ago, beings from other planets might have come to Earth. They could have met with our ancient relatives. One big thought here is that these alien visitors could have given a helping hand to ancient people. Think about amazing structures like pyramids and temples. They might have had some extraterrestrial help. People who support this idea point to old stuff like objects and drawings. Some of them look a bit unusual and could be clues about these visitors from the stars. This theory has even become a TV show called Ancient Aliens. It's like an adventure where experts explore clues in ancient places, looking for possible alien connections. But wait, not everyone thinks aliens are the answer. Some people say that these stories can be explained without aliens, just by human creativity. So, where does that leave us? Well, the ancient astronaut theory is like a big question mark. It makes us wonder about our history and what's out there in the universe. Remember, this isn't just about aliens. It's about stories and the way we humans imagine things beyond our world. And there you have it. The ancient astronaut theory is a cool idea that takes us on a journey through time, making us think about whether aliens had a hand in our history.